Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and today on the porch we have American Influencer Beauty Bundle, and it is full to the brim of LYS beauty products, and I love LYS beauty. So let's get on into it. That's one of the things that I love the most about the AIA Beauty Bundle is that it features one brand. Sometimes they'll have boxes that don't, but for the most part their boxes are all one brand, so you get to try a lot of one brand products that all come from one brand. AIA Beauty Bundle, however, does not help you speak proper English. You have to figure that out on your own. So we're going to go over the products in the order that I put them on my face. I think I'm looking super cute in all of my LYS beauty products and my new haircut. Let's dig into it, shall we? I already had a few of these products, so instead of opening the products that I already had, I just pulled out those that I had already used. However, this very first product, which is the Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum, I had not used. I think that this is new to LYS Beauty, and here is what the bottle looks like. I adore their packaging. It's very unique, but look at how pretty that is. This retails for $28, which is another thing that I love about LYS. They are very affordable and they are clean. They are a black-owned beauty, female-owned brand, and I believe that they are in the Clean at Sephora Club. This is a vegan skin-quenching face serum that leaves behind a succulent glow and long-lasting hydration. It's very, very pretty. You can see the pearlized tint in the bottle. It went on very well, and it did make my skin feel very hydrated, so I really do like that. We'll be using that again and again. The next item is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer, and this retails for $20. And I already have this product. I still can't talk. Lord have mercy. I may have gotten this in a BoxyCharm. I believe I did. It is a lightweight serum primer that minimizes the look of pores and excess oil for a flawless base. It feels very, very nice on the skin, and it is very tacky. I have not used Milk Gripping Primer, but I would assume that this is similar to that because it does feel very tacky on the face, and I have used this quite a bit and really have enjoyed it. I know that some people have said that using this primer with their foundation that they had an issue, but I've never had an issue using those two together. I cannot for the life of me hold on to it. The next product in my box was a sample of their XXX Triple Fix Serum Foundation with HA, turmeric, and ashwagandha, which are all amazing products for your skin. And that's nice that they get, it is Clean at Sephora. See, right there, Clean at Sephora. That's nice that they give you a little sample because there's no way that they could send you the right shade. They have 35 flexible shades, which is very inclusive, and that's very important. Those are all of the shades. I have their foundation, and I really enjoyed it. This foundation retails for $22, and it is a Best of Beauty Award winner, Allure 2021, and I really do like this foundation. You can see it looks very nice on my skin. I really do enjoy it. I've used this quite a bit, as you can see by all of the smudges and fingerprints all over the bottle. And I used that with their sponge. They sent me a sponge in a little bag. This is their LYS sponge. Very interesting shape. This, it says Confident Precision Makeup Sponge, and it retails for $10. It's a unique triangle-shaped sponge applicator designed to quickly blend complexion products onto the face, leaving behind an airbrush, streak-free finish. And I do prefer to use a sponge with my foundation. I like to use a brush with my powdered foundations. And the triangle, the point on this is very, very flexible. It is very easy to get into the corners. I think it would take a little bit of getting used to, but it's very soft, yet not too soft to put your makeup on with, and I really did like it. And I may just take some of this darker product just to try it out as a liquid bronzer, just to see how it does, because why not? Why waste it? The next item that I have in my bag is a blush. This is Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush. It retails for $16. This is in the shade Confident. It's an everyday satin matte cream blush that delivers high payoff, that caters to all skin tones and makeup looks, whether glam or neutral. And I already had one of their blushes, which I didn't pull it out. But this is what it looks like. It is so pretty, and it goes on so easy. And as you can see, I put it on with a brush. Normally I put my cream blushes on with a sponge, but this one works really, really well with the brush, and I really like it. It's a very, very flattering shade to me, I believe. Y'all let me know down in the comments if you think that's a good shade for me. The next item is a highlighter. This is Aim High Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter, and this retails for $19. It says a multi-purpose liquid highlighter booster that can be used over, underneath, or mixed with your foundation to give your skin an undeniable, healthy looking glow. Now this is in the shade Fearless or Bronze, and I did not use it today because I was not sure if I was going to keep it because it is quite dark. So what I used was the highlighter that I already have, and this is in the shade Brave. It has it right there, Leanna. It's right there. Right there. And it's very pretty. That's what I used on my cheeks and on my nose, and I put a little bit here on my forehead. It gives you just a very soft, natural glow. Very pretty. I really like it. But I think that I am going to try this now that I've thought about it, and try some of it under my foundation just to see what kind of bronzy glow it will give me. The next item in my box is a lip oil, and I love this lip oil. I already have one. I got it. I believe I ordered it. Once I got a couple of their products in a BoxyCharm, I went to their website or Sephora. I may have gone to Sephora and placed an order. And I ordered this lip oil. It's called Speak Love. It's a glossy lip treatment oil, and it retails for $12, and I have used this quite a bit since I bought it. This stays on my vanity, and I use this quite frequently at night. I have a couple of lip oils that I like to use. You can see it's down to there, because I use this a lot. I really, really like that. Those are all the items that are in my LYS Beauty American Influencer Beauty Bundle. The total comes to $105, and along with that, I used my Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer under my eyes, which works really well for me because it's not so thick that it really accentuates the fine lines, wrinkles, and texture under my eyes. And I also used my LYS bronzer. This is in the shade No Limits. It's a matte bronzer, and I use this quite frequently as well. That's my AIA beauty bundle for August, full of LYS beauty products. If you do not know, LYS stands for Love Yourself. LYS is an amazing, amazing brand. I love their products. I love what they stand for. I love how inclusive they are. They are an amazing brand. I will have the products linked down below in case you want to go check those out. Thank you for hanging out with me. Before you go, show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you love yourself? You need to get you some Fearless bronzer. Not bronzer. Bronzing highlighter. So that you can bronze yourself up and be the highlight of someone's day. That sounds really corny, but maybe LYS should hire me to do a commercial. Don't you agree? Mama loves you, boo.